Hey, good morning, friends. So, back again with a new video. So, this time around, I am in Itachuna Rajbadi in West Bengal. You can see the Rajbadi behind me. It's kind of a historical place. It's not exactly a Rajbadi, uh, but it's a Jomidar Badi, as they say. So, I hope everyone is doing great during these difficult times. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel and do like the video as well. That would inspire me to make new videos. So without further ado, let's see how the Rajbadi looks. So friends, this is what it looks from the main entrance. Here you have the parking lot. This is my baby here. It looks pretty beautiful. So next we are going to the temple, their very own temple that they have inside the premises. So here you see the Rajwadi's own temple, and this is how it looks. It's a very calm and peaceful environment with the birds chirping, and inside you have the deity idols. Next we'll be heading over to the garden. Before going to the garden, I'd like to show you the games room. You can see this is a very old chessboard that the Zamindars used to play on, and this is where they used to sit. Now we'll be heading over to them. Now we have arrived at the garden area. So it's a beautiful little place. As you can see, surrounded by greenery. There's a sit out over there. They call it chai ghar. That's where in the evening tea is served with snacks. Unfortunately, food is not allowed in the room. You can see it's a very beautiful area. This tree simply looks beautiful. There's some lotus plants over here, but unfortunately no lotus to see. Next we'll be going to the pond where the ladies used to have their bath in the... So we are on our way there. So you might be able to have a glimpse through the doorway, but we'll be hitting the pond pretty soon. So we have arrived at the pond. It is dirty because no one bathes in it anymore, but this is where the ladies used to bathe. Again, surrounded by quite a lot of greenery. I mean, anyone in these parts, like in West Bengal, near, if you live in Kolkata or Durgapur, Asansol, or in nearby areas, this is situated after Shaktigarh. After Shaktigarh, you'll have to ride for around like 29-30 odd kilometers. So it's pretty close by. I would suggest people to come down here, and it's pretty... if you want to be with nature as well as visit a heritage property for cheap, you should visit this place. So next we will be going to another part of the property. So the part that we're going next is where the actual zamindars, the people who are the owners, they stay when they come, and they only come twice in a year when there is a major puja in that temple that is over there. So let's move over there. So we have arrived at the section where there's a villa. You can book this villa for 15,000 a night. Not pretty cheap, not too costly as well. So I'll show you the villa. this is how the villa looks, and it can be occupied by a total of 6 people. And here, as again you can see, it's a garden. It has a very beautiful view. अंदर से आपको दिखाते हैं व्यू कैसा लगता है. So this is the sit out. Up there is kind of a balcony. You have a sit out over there, your private sit out, and this is how it looks from the villa. I tried booking that, but unfortunately everything was sold out. I mean, people who love the greenery would simply love the place. So the building that you see in front on the first floor is where the zamindars stay when they come, and that is a portion that is not open to public. I'll show you the entrance gate. It is locked, so it's opened only when they come. So this is the entrance and it's locked, and up there they stay. And there we have a little friend, a pigeon. It's where they stay. And we are back again at the front portion. Next we'll be going to this is the office where all registration work is done, as in all check-in work is done over here. And right next to it is a art and craft show, which is locked unfortunately, and this is the dining room. Guys, food here is literally awesome. It's served in brass plates and stuff, so you should try and experience that. So now we are on our way to the roof. I hope it's open by now. If not, we can't do anything. So this is how it looks from the first floor, and our room is this way. That's where I'm staying. I've locked it because I'm making the vlog, so now let's make our way to the roof. This area is open now. That's strange. But this is supposed to be the owner's private area. Fortunately guys, this was open today. Yesterday it was locked up, so couldn't come inside. And that red temple that you see over there, that was used as a Shiva temple, but later on they moved it in-house, and I've already shown you that in the beginning of the video. So this temple is no longer used. We have come to another section of the Rajbadi. This is where, this is what they call the Jalsa Ghar. I mean, inside, that's where the dance and everything used to take place. So I'll take you there in a moment. The way to the roof is closed as of now. I'll try and see if I can get you guys a view, but you can see these are some of the old mirrors and stuff, maybe 200-300 years old. These are some of the previous owners. They are no longer here. This grated thing that you see is the kitchen's chimney. So whatever they cook, the exhaust comes up from here. Quite a few plants and kind of a courtyard below. And this is where we pass through to go and see the garden. Very cute little fireplace over here. You can use to keep things up. So, see. So guys, we'll be getting down as the roof is closed. I'm really sorry I couldn't show you around the roof, but I'll surely post some pictures. But yeah guys, the place is fun. It's pretty huge. This area, as you see, is the labor room. Labor as in not in labor, but the labor during childbirth. So this is where all the children that were born in the Rajbadi in the golden days were born here. All the daimas used to stay here, and this are near the temple. So this showed you some time back. The temple outside was abandoned, and this is where they moved their goddess and idols and started worshipping here. And every day there are 3 pujas that are done, one at 6 in the morning, the next one at 10, and the last one at 6 in the evening. That's the Sandhya Arati. And twice in a year there is like the pujas are done in a grand manner. That's during Holi, and the other one I forgot. I'm really sorry guys, but yeah, I forgot about the Janmashtami and Holi are when it's done in a very grand manner in the same temple. And that's when the current owners or the zamindars come and stay in the part of the building that I showed you earlier. So I'll try and come here during that time and see if I can capture that grand puja, but can't promise anything. That being said guys, I have tried and gave you a very quick tour of the Itachona Rajbadi. Again, it's not a Rajbadi, it's a Zamindar Ghar, so please be careful. This is where Lutera was shot at, so if you are not able to come, you can watch the film, you'll get to know things that maybe I was not able to show, because ideally this Rajbadi has 76 rooms, but public can only access 17 of them, so you can see most of it is inaccessible to the general public, but you might be able to see it in the movies. With that being said guys, if you like the video, please do click on the like button, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That will inspire me to make a lot more videos. Thank you and see you next time.